Welcome to Woodlands Maths videos. We're going to look at the Higher 2017 Paper 1, Question 7. Why? Lots of kids at school. Just needed a wee bit of a reminder on this. It wants you to find the median through C. Okay? And I've just done a wee sketch here. And your median goes to the middle of the opposite side from the vertex C. So I'm really looking to draw a line like that, which is going to be the median from C. So what do we need? Well, the first thing we need is the midpoint. And your midpoint formula is your x1 plus x2 over 2 and your y1 plus y2 over 2. You need to remember that. It's not in your formula sheet. And that's going to give us minus 3 plus 7 over 2. That gives us a value of 2. And the second one is 5 plus 9 over 2. That's 14 over 2. I've got a value of 7 there. So I have got here a coordinate of 2, 7. What does that ask us to now do? Well, we need to work out the gradient of the median line. So the gradient of my median will be my y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And if we pop them in, I'm going to get 11 take away 7, and I'm going to get 2 take away 2. That gives me 4 over 0. Oh no, that is an undefined gradient. Okay, and what happens with an undefined gradient? That always means we have a vertical line. So when your denominator is 0, that gives you an undefined gradient, which means you've got a vertical line. Now your vertical line is obviously looking like that. You see your vertical line up here, okay? And if you've got a vertical line, I know I've popped this in one of my other videos on axis of symmetry of parabolas, I put a wee label underneath that because in my label, I must have an x equals. And if we come back to the denominator of my gradient, can you see that both x values are 2? And if we look back up here, it basically means that any coordinate on that line has got an x value of 2. Okay, so a nice wee technique I find is a wee label at the bottom of a vertical line. It has to have x equals followed by the x value of a coordinate. So your median is x equals 2. Catches so many kids out. So I hope that helps. All done.